Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and here we have the Aggressor wing from our friends at banggood.com. Comes as a kit or plug and play with all the electronics. The kit doesn't come with any of the electronics. It's 1.2 meters wingspan, so I think this is the largest wing that we've ever flight tested. It's big, I think, on purpose because it can carry a lot of weight. So the flight pack can be a 3300 to 5300. We got a 3500 4S pack in there at the moment, and you can put a lot of FPV gear in it as well. This black section pulls out if you want to put an FPV camera in there. You've got spaces underneath to put maybe your VTX, your video transmitter, and other gear as well. You can also convert this to a twin. They give you the pods that glue onto the wing on either side if you would prefer to go that route and convert it to a twin pulling type model rather than a pusher. Up to you which you want to do, but the option is already there. So let's not hang around, let's get it in the air and let's see how it flies. Just before I fly, I should say that it goes together really easily. Screws together, no glue. So you literally push the wings on, and there are 2 screws from the inside to put in, and the vertical stabilizers as well. And you just put 2 screws in underneath, and that's it. Oh, and the propeller. Take like 5 minutes. Put your receiver in, put your battery pack, you're ready to go. There we go, it's the Aggressor 1.2 meter flying wing from our friends at banggood.com. Great speed on those downwind passes, love that. And the slow speed characteristics, it literally stops, and on a strong windy day like today you can really play with it in the wind. Go a little bit high alpha and almost fly backwards. A lot of fun. So look it up on banggood.com. The link is in the video description or in the pinned comment if you want to see how much it is plug and play, or in kit form if you want to put your own gear in it. You can even convert it to a twin as well. So thanks to Carl on camera, and we'll be back with more flight tests in the future. Please subscribe and click that bell icon for future notifications of our uploads and of our live streams of our flight sim type work that we've been doing recently. But thanks very much for watching this one. Look forward to seeing you for the next flight test. Cheers. Cool.